We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder what's inside. Greetings, poppers and stalkers. You know what time it is for another unboxing. I just got some news before we open this. That EA has been awarded the worst gaming company in 2 years running. This is the second year. A round of applause. Alright. Because, you know, like games such as I really loved Alice. I never got my hands on it, but holy shit, was that a great game. You know, from Mind of a Kaji. But the platforming was a bit off, I guess. Other than that, it was a great sequel to the old PC game, which I've been dying to get my hands on. And by the way, if you want to send us shit, or shit literally, I don't care, box of nails, a finger, I don't know, your neighbor's dead cat, please send it in the dialog box right here. Just leave that up there for a bit and go. And what do you say we open this baby up and pull? Want to give it a shot? Oh, you remembered. Wait a minute. These things usually tick. If you want me to open, I'm sure I'll do it. So you're sure you can handle this? Oh, of course. I've done escort missions all the time. And usually they have a little fee, but you hardly even pay me. You're not the real Deadpool. You're Fanpool. That's a good one. So, are you gonna go? Don't worry. I got the stick. I got this taken care of, boss. We've got ways for making you talk. Don't listen to them. What? I couldn't find where he keeps the hard hats, okay? God. Sometimes they're such annoying, you little yellow box. Tell us where you hide the weapons of mass destruction! Tell us! They always have to do the silent treatment. Well, looks like we're gonna have to beat the crap out of you. And I got just the thing. Yow! Remember, kids, whenever doing an interrogation, always be prepared. Recommended for old dentists everywhere. Yeah. Not working. What else do we got here? I don't think that one guy's going to be using this, even if it is enchanted. Oh, let's do this.
Oh boy. He's gonna be happy about this.
I better get paid for this one. Stupid camera. Oh! Hey, about time. Thanks. I bought one of these for the bitch, you know, before. And I just, since she wasn't gonna, because she was expecting someone to just buy them themselves and whatever shit. Well, something just wasn't right with the show. So, I decided, why not? Why not also come to your stupid ways? I got myself a Yoko plushie. Yes, the very same Yoko plushie that I wear on my avatar. Gotta keep the tag on it and all. Gotta keep the tag and all, you know. Look at her. Oh, pretty. She's got the big tail. Big pigtail thing. She's got the chopsticks. This was the only one left on there, surprisingly enough. So, yeah. This is pretty cool. So, thanks to Fanpool for helping us out with this special unboxing. Without further ado, this is Velmax and Yoko signing off for another unboxing. It's close enough, okay?